Hello everyone, my name is Byron Eduardo Lea Flores and I am from Mexico. I want to present today this topic that is structural functionalism and how it's related with the environmental pollution that we have here in Mexico and more specific here in Puebla, where I live, with my mother and with my brother. To start this problem, we continue with the next question. Do we need a good functional structure to eliminate environmental pollution? What do you think? Yes or not? At the final of the video, you can add your own comments. Okay, let's start with the structural functionalisms. Okay, this one seeks the relationship between the structure with the functions and the functions. This means that it seeks the benefits and consequences of our actions in society as humans. And next, a clear example is the industrialization that, as we know, it pollutes a lot the world. And most of the time it benefits us, but at the same time it affects the world, the whole world. To be more specific with the functions and dysfunctions, functions are those that benefit us as humans. For example, the clouds. We use the clouds for survive to the climate, to the change of the climate. And the dysfunctions are those consequences that are after the production of an object. Or, for example, the butterfly effect. It have a lot of dysfunctions and bad effects. Even if it is only clothing, this is related to the global pollution over the world. Since if there is not a good organization in the resource distribution structure, as well as the mass overproduction of the chlorine among other things, there will be a mismanagement of the raw material, natural resources, and man-made resources. That will affect us a lot. And if you want more information about the fast fashion, we can say that it's all that clothes that are in a certain thing in a trend, but at the final of the year they are not much used because the industries have two options that they made. The first one is sell it in a low price, or the second is throw it and do nothing. Okay, guys, we are going to return with the main question that is a good functional structure needed to eliminate environmental pollution? Yeah. Well, and today we have many solutions that will help us to have a better management in the world. For example, is the 3 R's. That is something easy to do. That is recycle, reuse, or have another use for the things that we waste, no? For example, the plastic, clothes, toys, I don't know, the TV, or something like that. Okay, we are going to focus in the clothes. For example, the industries, and they also throw the clothes that they don't sell to the deserts or to a place that everyone can see, or they sell it in a low price, but almost of the time they don't sell all, so that's why they throw all to the trash, to the deserts, to the soil, to the oceans, to a lot of places in the world. Other clear example is the poor people. We know that they don't have the clothes to survive in this winter, for example, because it's very cold. It's very cold, and they need clothes for survive, or something that they can use, no, to have kid. But as I said, the industries are mm, not in all aspects bad, but they don't help that people, and that's a bad thing. Uh, is the most bad thing. Finally, thanks to the Earth Charter, Block 3 and Principle 10, we confirm that the economic activities and institutions at all levels promote human development in an equitable and sustainable manner. which practically depends on its functionality associative, since these are focused on the equitable distribution of wealth, both as essential resources for humans and their survival, in order to ensure that all trade in their distribution supports the sustainable use of resources, environmental protections, and progressive labor standards. And in conclusion, to start solving this problem, we as students of the millennium, we can create campaigns. About what? About donation of clothes. Yes. But these clothes are going to be the clothes that the students of the millennium bring here at the campus. For example, we can donate them to the immigrants that came here to Puebla or that came to Mexico in general way, or to those people that are in the streets and that really need them. But we are going to do this without getting anything because we are good people, no? In a functional structure. Yes, yes, yes. And remember this phrase: create new clothes is not bad. The only bad thing is our greed and the wanting of the human to create more and more things in an overproduction.